Do you know, when we think about the environment, our attention often turns to the landscapes around us, the oceans, and the creatures inhabiting them. However, there's a whole universe of life above us that often goes unnoticed, the microbial world present in the air we breathe. Let's understand the microbial diversity in the air. The air is teeming with a vast array of microbes, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even microscopic algae. These microorganisms play crucial roles in ecological processes and can have both positive and negative impacts on human health. Dispersion and distribution. Microbes in the air are not evenly distributed. Their concentrations vary based on location, weather conditions, and human activities. Urban areas, for example, may have different microbial profiles than rural or natural environments. Airborne bacteria. Bacteria are abundant in the air, with estimates suggesting that there are thousands of bacterial cells per cubic meter. While many of these bacteria are harmless, some can cause respiratory infections or contribute to allergies. Fungal spores. Fungi release spores into the air as part of their reproductive process. These microscopic particles can cause allergies in some individuals, but fungi also play essential roles in nutrient cycling and decomposition in the environment. Viruses aloft. Viruses are also present in the air, and recent studies have shown that they can travel great distances, impacting not only human health, but also the spread of diseases among animals and even plants. The microbial impact on human health. While most airborne microbes are harmless, some can pose health risks, especially for individuals with compromised immune systems. Understanding the diversity and abundance of these microorganisms is crucial for assessing potential health impacts. Monitoring and research. Scientists use various methods, including air sampling and DNA analysis, to study airborne microbes. This research helps us understand how these microorganisms interact with each other and their environment, contributing to advancements in public health and environmental science. The ecological role. Microbes in the air contribute to nutrient cycling, cloud formation, and even weather patterns. Their presence is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things on our planet. The air we breathe. Next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, remember that you're not just inhaling oxygen. You're also inviting in a diverse community of microorganisms, each playing its unique role in the complex tapestry of life. The air around us is more than just a mix of gases. It's a dynamic ecosystem of microbial life. As we continue to explore and understand these unseen inhabitants, we gain valuable insights into the intricate balance of our planet's ecology.